Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use today and now functions in Excel. So let's start. If you want to get today's date, current date, then you have to type today, then opening and closing bracket. You will get today's date, that is month, date and year. If you want to get date along with time, type now and these two brackets. You will see date and time together. Today and now functions are very important for data entry and analysis. If you want to close this file now and open it few times or few days later to adjust the date and time on that date and time, what you have to do, you have to run these functions again. For that, select the cell, you will see the formula in the formula bar, go to the end, press enter. This today function will be run again. Now go to the now function, you will see the formula in the formula bar, go to the end and enter. It will be run again. So that's how you can work with today and now functions in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.